Okay guys, I'm here on my back patio. I've got the 1/4 inch drill bit in my drill, and what we are going to be doing here is putting up a clothesline. So I'm going to be drilling into some of this brick and see how these drill bits do. Okay, so it went through the brick with no problem. Hardly any wear on the bit at all. Okay, so that's what the bit looks like after it's been drilling. As you can see, the tip is still intact, hardly any wear and tear on the drill bit. So yeah, I'm happy with the performance of these bits.